This morning I want to cover the PowerShell error, add content error, could not load file or assembly, whatever .dll or one of its dependencies operation is not supported. So let's look at what that error looks like. We're going to add type path MongoDB bin mongodb.driver.dll, and you're going to see we get this error. One thing I want to just quickly point out, this add type and this path, this is the new PowerShell way of loading DLLs. The system reflection out null is going to be deprecated in the future, so I would get in the habit of loading DLLs this way. So that's just something to quickly note. So we get this error message. One of the first things is that when you get a DLL off the internet, such as this, and we'll go ahead and bring up properties here, you'll note that here, at least, and it doesn't show it because I've already unblocked it, there's a little button that'll say unblock. And that's because by default, any DLL that you get from the internet is blocked. So that's the first thing to note is you'll need to right click on the DLL and unblock it. The other thing as well is you'll want to change your execution policies to allow scripts. So how you do that is to set execution policy and unrestricted, which I'm not going to do for the sake this morning. Finally, well, and there's a couple other things. It might be the .NET version too as well, so you may need to check your PowerShell version. And then the other thing as well is that you'll see, so this right here is the 64-bit, and this right here is the 32-bit. So if I actually use this, so I've unblocked everything, and my execution policy is set to allow scripts, you'll note that the 32-bit goes through, but the 64-bit does not. So that's the other thing as well, is like some DLLs will not load here, and it's okay, you can actually load them here. So that's just kind of some debugging. It could be quite a few things. But those are at least 4 that you might want to check. Your PowerShell version is the script unblocked, is your execution policy set to unrestricted, and then of course try it in the 64-bit and the 32-bit.